Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Simply Cool Things, where they sent me a spice rack to put up in my kitchen because I know that some of you might enjoy having a spice rack in your kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my kitchen so that I can put up my 360 revolving spice rack and show you guys what it looks like. So when opening up your box for your 360 spice rack, you're going to find that this comes with a spice rack carousel that has 12 glass jars, one for a spare. They all come with a black lid with a red rotating cover and a stainless steel shaft. The revolving spice rack's organizer contemporary design will suit your home decoration, whether it be at home, restaurants, commercial kitchen, hotels, party buffets, and many other areas. So no more burnt herbs and spices, as it will be prevented by using the carousel spice rack. You will never have burnt herbs or spices ever again, and this is great for storage, space, and location of your spices, for you to be able to cook. And the revolving spice rack is portable and compact. It doesn't take up much space. It makes your cooking very easy and happy. Everything came packaged up very well. The tape was definitely holding together a lot of the materials so that it would not break. So simply, here's just a spare spice container or jar, and this is how you put the top on. On here, you can either have it where it's pouring, you can have it shaken, or you can pour a lot. So these are the great features of these little bottles. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the actual 360 spice rack itself, and here's all the pieces. They have taped down the spice jars very well. This is a really great product to have in your kitchen right next to your stove, because you never know what spice you're going to need or what spice you might want to use on your food. So this is just a great revolving rack that holds 12 jars full of spices and can rotate and easily find. This also would be a great thing if you guys have Cricut, or if you guys like doing projects. You guys could easily order some of the chalkboard like stickers to go on top of these, and you can add any seasoning you want. I'm going to add in salt, pepper, roasted garlic and herb, beer can chicken, onion powder, lemon pepper, nature seasoning, Miss Dash, original and chicken, seasoned salt, cinnadust, and one more of my choice. The tops are fairly easy to get back on once you go ahead and put your seasoning into these jars. Also, be sure to make sure that your seasonings are closed by having the red rotating cover strictly on the black part where it is not opened. I hope that you guys enjoyed this 360 revolving spice rack video. If you did, please go ahead and look down in the description box down below to order yours today. Also, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you guys don't miss out on another video.